Hey everybody, welcome to the AI Showcase. My name is Stuart Victor, and for the past 25 years, I've been working in the tech marketing space. And in that time, I've seen some trends come and go. Everything from the dot-com boom to the rise of Web 2.0 and the massive adoption of mobile technology, especially over the past decade. I've witnessed firsthand how these innovations have transformed both our lives and our businesses. We're now in the very moment living through the biggest innovation in our history, and I have the privilege to both witness and become a part of the AI generation. It is my belief, however, that the invention of AI is such a massive leap forward in technology that the future is absolutely limitless, and it's already having a profound effect on how we live our lives today and into the future. Here at the AI Showcase, we focus on deep diving into the world of AI tools that can revolutionize your business. We offer in-depth reviews, hands-on demos, and insightful interviews with industry leaders that empower you to make the most informed decisions for your business. On this channel, we don't just talk about these tools, we actually use them in our own business to show you real-world results. So whether you're aiming to streamline your operations or supercharge your marketing or simply gain a competitive edge, we've got you covered and you're in the right place. My experience in tech has taught me the power of staying ahead of the curve, and I want to share that knowledge with you, backed up by real-world results and applications. So if you're ready to unlock the power and the potential of AI in your business, hit that subscribe button below and join the community. Let's explore the future together with the AI Showcase. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.